Alright guys, so this is my portable generator enclosure that I had built to power my home in case of any power outages. I pretty much got everything from Amazon, and let me go through it and show you guys. So from the outside, I have here a solar powered trickle charger, and then an exhaust fan and a zombie box exhaust kit. And right here we have some openings to run the cord out. This is a 50 amp inlet, and I'll show you guys here in a little bit. It's a V4. And then natural gas hookup, also another. And right here I just have a register that closes and opens for intake. I'll open this up, show you guys what I did and what generator I have. So these are just some insulation for automotive. It's got a exhaust wrap to keep the heat down. So this comes with the 50 amp inlet kit that you get off Amazon, and this comes with the generator. So the generator that I have, right here, is a Westinghouse. It's a tri-fuel. So this right here is where that 50 amp inlet connects to. And it has the interlock kit, so you have to turn off the main breaker, the 200 amp, before you could turn this on. And once this is off and this is on, it will power the whole house with no problem. Right here is my tankless water heater gas, and we just teed it off from right there and went down and out, and that's where it's getting the natural gas from for the generator. But yeah, I haven't had to use it yet, but I've tested it out and it works pretty good. You see here the trickle charger connecting to the battery, keeping it good for whenever I need to. And I just disconnect it, connect it on, and fire it up when it's ready.